Hello, this is Sarah Furman, and this is my screencast to prove that I passed the certification. Missed it by 1 point, unfortunately, but we got through it. So, as I was going through the certification, something that I found the most interesting was how many teachers know how to use the technology that they have on hand. I personally don't. I don't know. I've never really have branched into technology very much, and I think that was pretty neat. That a lot of teachers know how to, and they know how to overcome obstacles with it as well. And something that I found challenging was how to help students who may not know how to be technology, they don't really know how to use it, I guess, because if I don't know how to use it, then how would I teach them? So I need to better myself in doing so. And another thing is, how can I help students who, don't have Wi-Fi, or maybe they are, they can't really comprehend using the computer. So just how to overcome those. And then, what section will be important to me as a teacher? I think I should really go back and read through the Google tools and get myself familiar with them. That section is getting familiar with Google tools for a digital classroom. I think that would be most helpful and most beneficial to me.